please don't slap paint testers straight onto the wall. Do this instead. Grab a roll of lining paper for a few quid and cut it into nice big pieces. Open your tester pots, give them a good stir, apply a generous coat, and let it dry. A word of warning, do write the colour name on each piece. It saves a world of confusion when you've got 50 shades of greige on the go. A brush works fine, but a simple sponge is cheaper, quicker, and so much easier to clean. Now you've got big swatches of your chosen colours that you can move around the room. Try them in different spots, by the window, under artificial light, and next to your existing furniture if you're just freshening things up. Also check them at different times of day. Morning light versus evening light can make huge differences. Using your tester pots this way makes choosing the perfect colour for your room miles easier.